The red dragon fruit puree is introduced into the filtration system. The pump forces the liquid through a fine mesh, separating the fiber particles. The result is a clear, filtered liquid, free of impurities.
Color looks good.
Yes, and the size is consistent.
Spot check this batch. They're uniform, no issues.
Looks good. Approved. Let's check this batch for damage.
Okay, I'll start on these.
This one is bruised. Reject.
And this one's underripe.
Good. Mark it down.
This batch is stacking up fast. Yeah, let's keep the rhythm going.
Here's the next one.
Thanks. This pallet's almost full. Great, on to the next one.
These are looking perfect.
Yes, keep them aligned.
How many more for this tray?
Just a few more rows. Let's move, team. These red dragon fruit desserts are on a tight schedule. Copy that. First stack going in now. Good. Double check the temp seals. Pallets loaded, all secure.
Okay, starting the scan on this batch.
Roger that. I'm logging.
Scan complete, moving this to the shelf.
Confirmed. Next batch.
This batch has good viscosity.
I'll check the bricks level.
Looks stable, color is vibrant.
Agreed. Let's log the pH.
Right, moving to microbial tests.
Swabbing the red dragon fruit dessert sample now. Streaking onto the agar plate for culture. Placing in the incubator at 37 degrees.
The color on this batch looks good.
Yes, let's check against the swatches.
This one is a perfect match.
Agreed. The whole batch is consistent. Approved.
Excellent. Starting with sample 1, initiating the reading.
Proceed.
Sample 1 reads 18.5, logged. Sample 2 is next, 19.0, within range.
Proceed to sample 3.
Let's verify these seals on the red dragon fruit containers. Agreed. The labels are clear and the branding is consistent. Checking the seal integrity. It feels secure.
Good. This batch is ready for distribution. Let's start with batch 1. The aroma is promising.
Agreed. The dragon fruit is balanced.
A bit tart. Good texture. Batch 2 has a deeper flavor.
Yes, but the sweetness is overpowering.
Noted for batch 3.
Careful with this stack, it's heavy.
Good. Stack them by the east wall.
On it, next pallet coming up.
Check the labels. They must be visible.
Load's complete. Seal the door. All set. Trucks are rolling out.
Pallet loaded, seal it up.
Copy. Moving in.
Door secured, log it.
Scanning initiated. Defect detected. Seal integrity compromised. Defect detected. Label misprint. Scan complete. Flagged items diverted.
Scene 73. Certified quality stamp applied to approved red dragon fruit dessert batches. Reviewing the red dragon fruit desserts shipment. Quantities and dates match. All checks out. Approving the shipment.